What are you guys looking at?
I'm showing Ashley pictures of my girlfriend. We have so much in common. Even small things. She can't whistle, and I can't either.
And here's a picture of my boyfriend. My family is big, and so is his. I don't like ball sports, and he doesn't either. We are made for each other.
And so are we.
You have found perfect partners. And, so have I.
Pete and Ashley are talking about people they love. They are putting two ideas together with connectors. Let's start with these two sentences. She can't whistle. Pete can't whistle. How do you put them together? Pete says,
She can't whistle, and I can't either.
you can see we just add the conjunction either and take away the verb whistle. And Ashley says,
I don't like ball sports, and he doesn't either.
keep looking for connectors.
You met someone, Anna? That's great. What's his name?
His name? His name is, Buster Carter.
Buster Carter?
It's just Buster Carter, Ashley. I like him and he likes me. We're a great couple.
Hey, let's all get dinner tonight. Together. You can bring Buster.
Yeah, I can't wait to meet him.
Thanks, Ashley, but he's really busy tonight with his, squirrel collection. Bye, guys. Gotta go.
Squirrel collection?
You know she made all that up.
That's so sad. She needs to meet someone. Hey, do you know anyone who she might...
No.
Anna, you lied. You lied. Now they think you have a boyfriend with a squirrel collection. Here, squirrel. Well, you need to tell them the truth. You don't have a boyfriend.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Ashley, Pete, I need to talk to you. This morning, I lied.
Let me guess. There's no Buster Carter. What a surprise.
I'm sorry, but later, I really did meet someone, and we have a lot in common. He's good at flying kites, and so am I. He likes to read comics, and so do I. I can play the ukulele, and so can he.
He sounds perfect for you, Anna. Can he come tonight?
That's the sad part. You see, he just got a job as a spy. And tonight, he leaves on assignment.
Of course he does.
But that's okay, because now I know that there is someone out there made for me. Oh, it's late. I have to see him off at the train station. Bye, you guys.
Bye, Anna. Oh, dear. She's worse than we thought.
She's lost her mind.
What should we do?
Let's tell her.
No, Pete. Mr. Right may not be real, but he makes her really happy.
Did you find any other connectors? Notice how the words are in a different order in the part after so. I am becomes am I, and he can becomes can he. Check out the website to find out more.